Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of a in this exponential equation? We have a equals what? So, by property of indices is what we are going to apply. But first, let's try to write this as 4 to the power of a plus 1 plus 4 to the power of, if I break this into let's say I have this as 3, but I don't want to use 3, or let's say I use 4 minus 1 minus a equals 257. 4 minus 1 is still giving us 3. Then we have 4 to the power of a plus 1 plus 4 to the bracket of 4. So if I factor out negative, then here we have 1 plus a equals 257. And suppose we have a raised to power of m minus n. This is the same thing as a raised to power of m divided by a raised to power of n. So therefore we have 4 raised to power of a plus 1 plus 4 raised to power of 4 divided by 4 raised to power of 1 plus a equals 257. So here we have 4 raised to power a plus 1, and here is 4 raised to power of 1 plus a. As 1 plus a is still the same thing as a plus 1, which are commutative. So here we are going to let 4 raised to power of a plus 1, if I let it equals b. Therefore we have b plus 4 to the power of 4 divided by b equals 257. So by finding the LCM, if this is divided by 1, we have b multiplied by b, that is b squared, plus 4 to the power of 4 is given as 256. Everything equals 257b. So by taking 257 to the left hand side, here we have b squared minus 257b plus 256 equals 0. We arrived at quadratic equations, as we can apply factorization methods to solve this, where we have the numbers as b squared minus b minus 256b plus 256 equals 0. So let's try to group this. We have this as b squared minus b in bracket minus 256b minus 256 equals 0. So we change the positive to negative because of this parenthesis. When we multiply this with all this, we are going to get minus 256b plus 256. What is common here is b. We factor it out and we are left with b minus 1 minus, what is common here also is 256 into bracket of b minus 1 equals 0. So we have b minus 1 that is common. Then we combine b and the minus 256 together, and we take 1 of b minus 1. Therefore we have b minus 1 in bracket, open bracket, b minus 256 equals 0. So we have b equals 1 and we have b equals 256. So we can just call it b equals to 1 comma 256. And when we recall from where we learned 4 to the power of a plus 1 equals b, at b equals 1, so we should recall or we note that 4 to the power of a plus 1 equals 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. Then we have 4 to the power of a plus 1 equals 4 to the power of 0. So when we cancel 4 and 4, we have a plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, a equals -1. And this is the first solution to this problem. And again, when we have the second one, which is 256, we are going to write it as 4 to the power of a plus 1 equals 256. Then 4 to the power of a plus 1 equals, we can write it in exponent form as 4 to the power of 4. So when 4 cancels 4, we have a plus 1 equals 4. When we take 1 to the right hand side, we have a equals 4 minus 1 and a equals 3, which gives the second solution to this problem. And if you have to verify if these problems are equal, for a equals -1 and a equals 3, so it's going to be equal. And this is how we are going to solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you are just coming to our channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.